guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. We are in the Country Fair section in the back of the resort. We're going to be doing a standard room tour, so let's go. Okay, so like I said, this is a standard room. So you have two queen-size beds. One laid out like a regular bed when you come in, and then another is a table that you can pull down as a second bed if you need it. So here you have your refrigerator, your coffee supplies, teas, and then you've got your ice bucket and extra cups and everything that you need, sugar and creamers and stuff. Over here you have the TV, park map, hours, whatnot on the TV, nice music when you walk in, and your remote. So on here you have plug-ins, USBs, three nice size drawers here for you to put your clothes. You have a Bible and a nice safe, like if you have a laptop or anything, you can stick that in there, some of your valuable stuff in there. And then you've got two nice shelving units in there to put some of your stuff. On each side of the beds, you've got cubbies to where you can store some of your stuff, and you've got outlets and USBs as well. So if you remove these chairs right here, like I said, you can pull this down, and I'm going to pull that out in just a second. You have recycling and regular trash bins in here. You've got a phone to call the front desk. They left us a super nice surprise right here. It's a Mickey head. More outlets, USBs, tons of light. This room right now during it's 4:30 and the sun is beaming in here. It's really nice. So this door right here is a slide door. So if some people want to sleep in the mornings and you want to get ready, no one can really see that you are in here with the lights on. You got extra place. I always say this is for the raincoats when it rains. That's where you put that. You've got a nice size cubby to put some of your hanging stuff and your hats for Wade. Then you've got a full ironing board, iron, blow dryer. Got some Kleenex and rags, tons of storage in here as well. You've got a nice makeup mirror as well as a really nice mirror with nice lighting. You've got H2O products here. Plenty of towels, and if you need more, you can always call and ask for them. Right now they're doing maid services every other day, but they will pick up your towels and bring you more if you need more. Also, you have H2O products in here, and you've got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Yeah, it's very standard. If you've stayed at All Stars before, it's gonna be the exact same. Most everywhere you go, sports, music, and movies. But the nice thing is they're all renovated now, so you've got the nice laminated floors and you can store your stuff underneath the beds. So I don't know, it's really nice. Also, most people do not like the rooms in the back of the resorts here. If you're using the buses, I can understand that, or if you want to be near a pool, but having the scenery just green, there's like a little stream in the back. I don't know if that's what it is, but it's so nice. We've stayed back here before and we always enjoy it.